is fully melted. Someone must have spilled a whole bag of sugar on this floor. Yeah, I don't know why, but they just all merged into one big sheet. He doesn't have any feet. Good morning, happy Sunday. Let's start the reset. We got lots that needs to be done. Somehow this battery's also dead, so I have 3 dead batteries. All right, well, we're gonna have to figure that out. Lots of cleaning, lots of different things each of us got to do, and we will get rolling on it. We slept in because we were out last night until midnight, and we didn't go to bed until 2. I also want to bake some cookies today. So that's part of my festive activity for the day because I don't have any outing planned or anything. Did I show the cute things I bought yesterday from the store? I feel like I showed the scrunchie. It's on my bedside table. That really pretty velvet scrunchie was stunning. And I bought 2 Christmas ornaments, so I just remembered that as I'm looking at the tree. 2 little things I bought from the cute boutique corner store in the West End yesterday was this, I don't know what this was, but it was $3. It was a ceramic Christmas ornament, and it has like a sun or something in it, and I don't know, it spoke to me. It was unique. It was the only one there. We love that. And the next thing was a nutcracker, because we don't have a single nutcracker in this house, or ornament, or just standing or whatever. So I got this one, and he was cheaper than all the rest because 1, I like the smiley face on his little hat, and 2, he doesn't have any feet. I said we had not a single nutcracker thing, and I think a couple years ago Tommy's mom actually got us these nutcracker ornaments that are clay style. So, oops, but also this is very different. It's so clean, and it has an LED light across it. Look how nice. Much improvement. Very much. Don't look at that. We're going to the store. Definitely need some more chocolate chips and stuff for the cookies I want to make later. There is a lot of sugar on the floor. Okay. I feel like it's usually supposed to be semi-sweet. Oh, yeah. Like dark might be a bit too much. Like I love me a dark chocolate, but I don't think that's the right vibe. That feels like way too many. Very goofy. Someone must have spilled a whole bag of sugar on this floor because it is very grainy. All right, I'm looking for salt, which I always assume is somewhere in the baking aisle. I'm looking for a red wine that I used a couple weeks ago. Oh wait. Hold on, I see this one, and I did use that one, but I'm looking for the salt. Oh wait, no, that is the one. This is the one I want. Grocery sandwich. So I want to make some cookies. We bought more chocolate chips today, and I looked into the bag after we got home, and I noticed that the Tommy put the chicken on top, and it was like the rotisserie chicken on top of the chocolate chips. This chocolate chip bag, if you can see, is fully melted. Like, yeah, so I'm gonna break them up and then probably still put them into the cookies, obviously, but it was just funny because I looked at this and I was just like, soft. Sweetie. Let's do some cooking YouTube evening vibes. It's 5 o'clock, it's pitch black. It has been pitch black for the last hour. Gonna use the nice velvet scrunchie I bought yesterday from that cute boutique shop just to make sure nothing gets in the food. I'm just remembering how much I really wanted to do stuff like this at our old place, but we never had any space. And I know you can always make things work in small kitchens, and that's not a huge hang up, but it was just so gross and not a conducive environment to baking or doing anything fun like this. So I'm just so excited. I've just got like all these things laid out and this whole island that I get to use, and it's just so cool. The one thing I'm missing here is baking soda and the vanilla extract. I think I just see, oh yeah, all-purpose, definitely. Okay, all-purpose flour, brown sugar and granulated sugar, melted butter we will melt, egg and a yolk. Don't know what I'm gonna do with the extra white, but it's fine. And vanilla extract, chocolate chips, and sea salt. This is so much butter. This is an insane amount of butter. Okay, it's 3/4 of a cup, but that was so much butter. So I'm wrapping this and then I'm putting it into the fridge for 30 minutes for it to chill, I guess. Yeah, I don't know why, but they just all merged into one big sheet. So we had a cookie fail, but I did make more to try tomorrow after it has chilled for a bit longer. So the dough is in here and I'll make it tomorrow or Tuesday. I also halved the amount of butter because when I was looking up stuff, it said the butter is probably why it just decided to like all out there. So the cookies turned out better this time than this nonsense. How was the salt in the middle?
Good.
See, this is a cookie.
That's a really big cookie.
But it wasn't very good, as you said, right?
No, it tastes good.
Oh. I'll just melt it together.
Visually lacking. Those are better, to be fair.
These are very good.
Although that could be down to the fact that it actually is cookie shaped and cookie sized and not super thin.
Now that the test batch of 3 worked out, that he already ate 2 of and I'm eating the last of, I'm gonna make some more tonight and have cookies ready for tomorrow and then make the rest later. Feel like I found the go-to way to make some cookie dough, and it is significantly less butter and more baking time than the recipe calls for. We have a plan and we have a better understanding of cookie making. See you in 15 minutes. Another improvement. I think next time what they did say instead is to use dark chocolate chips, so I might get some of those next time since I used a whole bag of chocolate chips in my fail batch and my success batch. I'll let these cool. Oh my god, little baby, so cute.